Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We're here at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Gadsden, Alabama. And we're going to take you on a tour of this hotel and in our hotel room. Security. Fitness center. So this is the pool area, and it goes all the way to 5 feet deep, 1.5 meters for those metric-minded people. And it's an outdoor pool, but it's very nice. The water's clear, it's not green. And there's even a kiddie pool over here that's, I guess it's a kiddie pool. It's 3 feet deep, which is the same depth as the shallow end of the big pool. But maybe it's a hot tub. Oh, it's a spa. Nice little deck chairs. So yeah, this is a spa slash hot tub. Table and chairs with an umbrella, and this apparently is the smoking allowed area. This is a non-smoking hotel, so you can't smoke inside. That's fine with me. If they want to smoke outside, I couldn't care less. But the last thing you want to smell in a hotel room is cigarette smoke. And I can say that as a former smoker. Even when I smoked, I couldn't stand the smell of smoke in a hotel room. This hotel does include free breakfast. Need a key to open every door, so I guess this place is very secure. Coca-Cola machines here. And it's Coke in 20-ounce bottles, and they run $1.25 a piece, which is a really good deal for a 20-ounce Coke. And this is another ice machine. And we're all the way down here at the end of the hall. So this is our King Corner Junior Suite here at the Holiday Inn Express. And this is a little bit different from what we used to staying at with the Hiltons, but since this one was a little bit cheaper at $86 a night, we went ahead and booked here. So we're going to start with the basic safety features. We have the emergency evacuation plan, and we are all the way down here. The elevator's here. Unfortunately, we parked over here, but I guess it doesn't matter because you still got to walk to the elevator before you can get to the room. And maximum room rate is $199. We paid a lot less than that. Checkout time is noon. There's a peephole that somebody has stuffed Kleenex into. I guess somebody just couldn't stand that beam of light coming through the peephole. We have a mechanical deadbolt. We have door latch. And this here is a two-way switch that works the light up here on the ceiling as you come in. Nice full-length mirror here. And a little closet area. And that's some extra bedding, I guess, for the fold-out couch. We have some hangers, ironing board, and an iron all the way at the bottom. And then over here, we have a microwave, a Keurig coffee maker with morning edition blend and a decaf. And I'm on decaf now, so I'm going to need that. Microwave oven, clean. It's always good when the microwave's clean. And a fridge. And the fridge is clean and cold. Fridge even has some sort of a lock on it. Attention, see warning on key. Well, they didn't give us a key to the fridge. So we'll move on into the bathroom here. This is a nice modern bathroom. Got this little alcove over here with. Here are a few suggestions that we can all do to help conserve our natural resources. Report noisy, leaky faucets and toilets. Turn off TV and lights when leaving your room. Reduce the AC heater when leaving your room. Turn on water while brushing teeth. Take short showers. Full sink basin to shave. And participate in the linens and towels reuse program. And when we came in, the AC was set on 67 degrees. So we have hot and cold running water here at the sink, and this is plugged up. There we go. Hot and cold running water. We have soap bar, face and body. Up here we have white citrus conditioner, shampoo, and lotion. A few washcloths. And if you forgot to pack any standard toiletry item, toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving cream, razor, or comb, just call the front desk and we'll get you a complimentary replacement right away. We have a couple of cups and an ice bucket here with a little bag to protect your ice bucket from disease, I guess. Hair dryer. And then we have the standard plumbing fixture here. Appears to be clean. We have the curved shower curtain on. And this is a nice tub shower combo. That's the shower head, and I guess we'll see how that works. So we have why they can't just put knobs. And that's a pretty good spray from the shower. And it looks like it's got different settings. Oh yeah, it does. I'm getting wet here. So that's all good there. Now we'll take a look at the room. So this is a nice large room. It's got a lot of space in front of the bed. That's a king size bed there. We have a desk area, which is always good for me because I've got a lot of video to dump onto the computer from today's drive, and it's nice to have a desk to do that at. This is a small TV, a bedroom TV, but good enough. We don't really even use it that much unless we hook the computer up to it to watch videos online. Frederick's air conditioner with controls on the unit, no thermostat, well, at least no wall thermostat, but some electronic control on it. This is our view. And for once we've arrived before the sun sets, so that right over there is Interstate 59. There's a Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott right across the, well, right down the street, I guess. And over there, you can't really see it, there's a Cracker Barrel, and that's a Ruby Tuesday over there. So there's food real close by. Lots of mirrors in here. Now at the desk, this lamp has 2 power outlets there and there. Looks like a nice chair. No drawer. The TV stand has 3 drawers. Squeaky. And they gave us a remote control. HBO's August guide to the TV channels that we can get here, which is actually useful if we decide to watch TV, which we probably won't, but you never know. We like to watch live PD while we're in hotels. Survey phone security, and a book which I'm sure outlines all the different amenities of the hotel, our services and facilities, telephone and technology, dining, out and about, and safety. I'm not going to go through too much of that. So we have this little bench here. Good for putting on shoes or whatever, or really there's no luggage rack in here, so that's I guess where the suitcase is going to go when we bring it in. Another thing we're missing is a safe, but that's usually something that higher end hotels have. This lamp has a little bit of a flicker. I don't know if you can see that on the video. I'm guessing it's an older compact fluorescent. Yeah, that's what it is. And in the drawer we have, I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of the county. Got to remember to ask at the front desk what the name of the county is. But it's a local buyer's guide for the local area. And we have 2 of those. Moving on. This looks like something that they would have sold at Kmart back in the 80s. It's a telephone, clock, alarm clock combo. And it's got all kind of different phone chargers, including a lightning charger, old style iPhone, mini jack, and Android, all built in. So that's interesting. Notepad and pen. And a sign you can hang on the door. Please change the linens today. The Holy Bible. No phone book though. Guess if you gotta call somebody, you gotta call 411. And this little couch right here is a fold out, I believe. Yes, that is a fold out couch. So the last thing is the bed, and it looks like a nice bed. It's got 4 king size pillows, the big wide pillows. And it has a sheet over a duvet and then another sheet. And then your usual fitted sheet. Under the fitted sheet, there's a cloth mattress protector. And under that is another cloth mattress protector, which seems to be one of those ones that the entire mattress zips into, so it doesn't just pull out. So overall, this is really our first experience with a Holiday Inn Express, at least since we've been doing 504 road trips, and I'm really impressed with this place so far. It's very quiet. There weren't a lot of cars in the parking lot, so I think it's Labor Day weekend, so I think maybe there's just not a lot of people in town. Maybe this just isn't a destination. You know, I don't know why anybody would come to Gadsden, Alabama for Labor Day weekend unless they got family here. You know, there's no festivals or anything going on, so maybe it's just not a lot of people in town this weekend, but it's very quiet. So I think we're going to wrap up the room tour here. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up, share and follow us on social media, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.